Hey guys, welcome to class. This is going to be an overview of what you're going to do this week. You'll see that there are 3 items that you pretty much have to do, and there will be a 4th after I record this. So you have a form and content lesson, okay? This lesson is going to talk about what is form, what is content, what the differences are, and how it relates to art, and how it relates to film. Okay, so I want you to review this, scan through it, take notes, okay? And then, at the end of this, I have a video that you can watch, okay? And so you'll click on that screencast and you'll play it, okay? And there's a really smart guy talking about this, and the lesson's only 5 minutes long. All right, and then there's a review question. Okay, so how and why we differentiate form and content in a movie, and why are they relevant to one another? So after you read this, you should be able to answer that question, which takes us to the assignment at hand. All right, look at the review question. How and why do we differentiate between form and content in a movie, and why are they relevant to one another? Please provide a specific film example of how the content can be the same, but the form is different. So really we're looking at maybe there's like 2 films that tell the same story, like Cinderella. Okay, Cinderella's been told a ton of different times and a ton of different ways. Ranging from musical comedy to an animated film to really serious to even like not traditional Cinderella story like Pretty Woman, right? Or Cinderfella, all right? Or Miss Congeniality. So think about that, okay? And see if you can answer that question. I'm really looking at for 3 to 5 sentences in your answer. So I'm looking for, a small paragraph. Okay? So, answer it in complete sentences, right? You're going to probably provide an example and then give us your opinion on that example or your insight on that example. Okay? And then, this is the easy part. Favorite film. So I'm sure that many of you have watched a film before. All right, so you are going to discuss your favorite film. All right, tell us what your favorite film is and why. Does it seem real? Does it make you feel something? Does it make you think about things you normally wouldn't think about? Explain your answer. So I don't want you to just say Fast and Furious 7, and that's your answer. Okay, why is it the Fast and Furious 7? Why is that your favorite movie? Okay, tell us about it. What do you like about it? Is there a special moment in the film that really connects with you, and why does it connect with you? Okay, here's the timeline on this. All right, in order to kind of like get the conversation going and then continue it. Post your first response by Tuesday. All right, then Wednesday and Thursday, respond to your classmates' posts. So everybody should have it, have the first response or posting up their first, response or post up about their film by Tuesday. All right? But by Wednesday, you should be able to respond to people who've that have posted their response. Okay? So there's going to be plenty of people that you can respond to. And if somebody else has responded to something, that doesn't mean you can't respond to it. Absolutely. If it's like, they wrote about, Blade Runner or something, I'm probably going to post up about, a response to somebody that said Blade Runner, because Blade Runner is one of my favorite films. So I'm going to probably respond to that. So Wednesday and Thursday, respond to your classmates. And then by Friday, check out what people have said about your post and reply. If somebody asks you, a question about it, or they made a comment and it compels you to respond, reply. And once you've done that, the discussion's over. You don't have to continue. Now you can if you want, but you don't have to. Okay, so we have an initial post, then a response, and then respond to your responses. Okay, so you should have a few posts in here. I'm really looking to get you guys to start thinking about films, why you like them, what is it about, especially your favorite film. What is that about, and why do you like that film so much? All right, and it'll get other people to think about film as well, because that's what this class is all about. I love discussions. I love talking about movies and stuff, just like talking about sports or anything else. Movies are, that's something I can talk about for forever, obviously, because I'm talking a lot right now. All right, for right now, that's it for this week. Okay, so check it out. If you got questions, I'm going to post up a Q&A area here as well. So if you do have questions, I'll be able to field them. All right, that's it. Hopefully you have an awesome week, and I look forward to seeing you on the interwebs. Bye.